Meaning of impoliteness.
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 Impoliteness. Impoliteness refers to behavior or language that is rude, disrespectful, or offensive. It can be intentional or unintentional and can take many forms, such as interrupting someone, using profanity, or ignoring social norms. Impoliteness can harm relationships, create tension and conflict, and damage reputations. It is important to recognize when we are being impolite and work to correct our behavior in order to show respect for others and promote positive interactions. By being mindful of our actions and words, we can build stronger connections and foster a more pleasant environment for everyone.